In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install the Google keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, open the Play Store, and in Play Store, use the search bar to look for Google keyboard. Once you found it, simply install it onto your device. Once it's been downloaded, you can open it from your Play Store, or you can just go back to the home screen and open it from there. Then you can choose to enable it in your settings app, changing it to your default keyboard. And then tap on done. Once you're done with that, you can choose to add different languages to your keyboard. And then you can choose the language, the keyboard format. So you can have it in QWERTY or AZERTY. It depends on what you'd like. When you're happy with how many formats you have, you can just tap on done to save the changes. So you can change the theme of your keyboard to a color or an image if you would like. And then you'll have these previews popping up showing you how it would look like when applied to your keyboard. So you can apply it like that, and then you just go back, and then you can have voice typing enabled or disabled. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.